Close your eyes.
Close mo yung... Mami, close mo yung ano niya. Na-close.
Sit down, please. I have something for you, okay? Close your eyes. Wait for mommy. Wait. Close your eyes. Ay, close your eyes.
Ako lang mag-close.
Like this.
Ako lang mag-close.
Hayaan mo siya, ate. Close your eyes. I have something for you, okay? Alis siya natin. Close your eyes. No peeking.
No peeking. Close your eyes.
Close your eyes. Sit down, please. There. There.
Here.
There.
Here.
Go. There. Okay, sit down, please. Close your eyes. I have something for you. Oh, close your eyes first. Oh, dali, dali. Sit down. Do you want surprise? Yeah? Oh, close your eyes. Okay, are you ready? Ready? 5. Okay, hayaan mo siya. Again, like this. 5,
4,
3, 2, 1.
Okay.
Oh, you like this? What will you say? What's that? Okay, ate then. Oh, close your eyes. Close your eyes, ate. Turn, open. You like this? You like it?
I like this. I like
Love,
this.
love.
I like this.
What's the
I
name?
like this.
What is the name of your doll? What is the name?
Angel.
This Sissy. This is Sissy.
Sissy up.
This is Sissy,
Wait
okay?
lang.
Okay, you love Sissy now. You love Sissy? I love Sissy.
May chocolate. Sabi ko, parang may ano doon. May
You love
chinelas.
Sissy?
Kala ko kaya na to.
Oh, sakot mo, sakot mo. Perfect.
Thank you, Mommy.
What will you say? What will you say to mommy? What will you say to mommy?
Ito na susuotin ko lagi.
You like it? Yeah?
I like this.
Galing yan kay Mami Jeng. Si Mami Jeng ano yan?
Pati kay Yana?
Nagbayad.
Pati kay Yana?
Mm-mm.
Thank you, Mommy Jean.
What will you say? What will you say?
No. Si
Oh,
Miro.
it's a no.
Si Miro. Ano kay Miro? Ano kay
Hindi
Miro?
ko pa alam kay Mami Jeng. What will you say, Ting?
No.
What will you say?
No.
Yes,
Mommy,
it's a
dapat
mouth.
sumama ako.
What will you say, Ting?
No.
Oh, it's a mouth.
No.
Say thank you, please.
Yung ano niya ganito.
That's eyes. That's eyes. Open. Open.
Yeah.
Surprise.
Natutanggal yung ganito.
No, wag tanggalin. Surprise. Say thank you. Thank
This is
Okay.
my ano.